New iron-coated activated alumina media, is orange in color, and filters better over a broader pH range. Updated purple cartridge fits only one way, for simplified installation. Fits. Standard 10 inches housings, Home Master Jr. Exceptional filtration. Reduces fluoride, chlorine and chemicals. Does not remove calcium magnesium minerals or TDS. Change filter every 3 months or 500 gallons depending on the hardness of your water. Top reviews from the United States. I've used this filter for a few years. This is the upgraded filter to the other CFF25 model. I've used both but use this one for everyday use. I keep the cheaper CFF25 to use for filling water storage containers during hurricane season. This filter works well and I often filter it again when I fill my water filter pitcher, Waterdrop Elfin, to make sure it's extra pure. When changing filters, the instructions say to run 5 gallons through the system before using, but I've found that even at 5 straight gallons some discoloration still occurs. So here's what I do. Turn on the filter and allow the charcoal debris to run clear. Then I slowly run 3 gallons, 12 16-ounces jars, then wait at least 10 minutes and run another gallon, 4 jars, and then wait another 10 minutes or more and run the final gallon through the system. This usually clears the water, but just beware that when the filter is brand new, it may take running it for a few seconds before filling your glass to clear the light tan color. It's not as if it's toxic, just doesn't always look crystal clear right after those first 5 gallons. Highly recommend these filters.